Welcome to Trinity Lutheran Church.
We offer a message of forgiveness and hope in Jesus Christ.
Visit the Trinity family and attend our worship services. Here you will find interactive and in-depth Bible studies for Christians at all levels. We have wonderful opportunities for fellowship throughout the year, including Advent by Candlelight, Bring Your Sweetie to Breakfast, concerts, and more. Shop in our bookstore for Christian books, music, gifts, and more in a friendly and cozy environment with free coffee and smiles. We provide Christ-centered education to children ages 3 to 18, including childcare, preschool, grades K to 8, and Michigan Lutheran Seminary. With up-to-date technology, an active athletics program, choir, and band, students receive an excellent education with plenty of extracurricular opportunities.
That you should come here, because if you want to learn God's Word, you can come here to learn it.
Discover a genuine life with Christ at Trinity Lutheran Church and School.